Saudara Presiden terpilih Prabowo Subianto menjawab pertanyaan asing soal nasib demokrasi Indonesia jika dirinya telah memimpin nanti. Dalam Qatar Economic Forum, Prabowo menjawab kritik tentang pemerintahannya nanti, termasuk soal tudingan pelemahan demokrasi. Menurut Prabowo, kritik semacam itu dibuat oleh media. Lebih lanjut, Prabowo mengatakan ia akan bekerja keras karena masyarakat sudah menerimanya setelah kalah 3 kali dalam pemilu.
Many of my people are still living a very, very difficult life. And that is what drives me. I want to do... Who is concerned?
There's some critics who say you may clamp down on democracy.
Who is concerned?
So you're saying there is no concern about that?
Why don't you ask the Indonesian people? I go to elections already 4 times. I go to my people. I ask their consent. 3 times they did not give their consent. This time they give the consent. Where is the concern about democracy? The concern about democracy is, I think, made up by some people in the press. I said I go to my people. They rejected me 3 times. They accepted me this time. So I will work very hard so that I don't disappoint my people.